I used equal parts A and B, artist resin, medium viscosity, which is the yellow-green label, my go-to resin. And I used Funshine Color Shop Gilded Rose, Sparkle White, White Crystal, Sparkle Miner's Gold, Iridron Pale Gold, White and Gold Alcohol Ink, Cast and Craft White. I used Backstage Fine Precious Metals, which is like a rose gold glitter kind of. And I used the last of the Bright Gold Crushed Glass Bits from Laura's Art Corner, which also is where the Pale Gold Iridron comes from. And then I had a bag of, these are 4.2 millimeter, 10,000 pieces, hobby. They're like little diamond shaped crystals, and they're really small around the edges and here. And so I think that covers all the colors. My resin was heating up really fast, so I had to kind of really get in there and work quickly, and I had leftover resin to do a bookmark, which is in this mold. One other like flower shaped mold I might make into a bowl or something. So I'll be back later on. This will be a clock when it's finished. It's got a hole that's already pre-cut into this aluminum metal piece. And this is the rose gold, and I got it from Craft Shop Metals. It's alu-rim rose gold. I thought this is a great thing to make a resin in, and it is 11 inches across. And I used about 4 to 5 ounces of resin to cover some other coasters I had hand painted, so that was about 14 or 15 ounces of resin I used all together to make all of this stuff. So I'll be back.